Welcome to the start of this week's Family Print Project vlog. As you guys can see, we are about to make a filament order, looking at the sales, looking at the deals. Currently, right now, it is a massively huge $10.99 for bulk sales for the Bamboo Lab filament specifically, and we are going to take a look at Flash Shorts filament as well for their machines. Now, I know this is being uploaded later in the week, but I do want to mention, if you are on Bamboo, any of the printers you use, make sure you guys are checking daily, because things like this could happen when they're doing a flash sale, which you guys have already seen a short that we created on the day letting y'all know of the flash sales that they're having across the platform. So be on the lookout for that. We're going to try to document that, and that's another additional thing we're going to try to keep up with when it comes to providing y'all with the best deals at the best times in shorts, because we're going to keep this weekly vlog documenting what we're doing throughout the week. So this is what we're doing, this is what we're highlighting, and this is our order right here. We are getting that sticky plate so we can have much better results on dragons within the X1 Carbon, and very, very excited for what we got going on. This is legitimately why Black Friday is literally the best time. Like, look how much we saved. $170. That's almost half off. Well, right now, this is the wonderful thing about 3D printing that I absolutely love. Right now, I'm currently cleaning our portable AC, and I need to actually get into some pretty tight spots. I ended up downloading a nozzle right now that I'm going to actually get printed. That's going to be a thinner piece that I can put in the holes, I think. I'm not quite sure, but the fact that I can even print a piece that I can fix right here, right now, and it gets technically delivered within a couple hours right here at my home is the most amazing thing about 3D printing that we can do as manufacturers and as a business, that we can do that if a model is ready and available. Not only that, but if I wanted to create one, which I'm thinking about doing for this, that's the convenience of it. So I will definitely let y'all know, and definitely will add it to the Patreon if this is something I do want to do, because it will get the maintenance work on any kind of AC thing like this to be designed to be able to vacuum out the coils without having to remove the entire part to clean up. So that just makes it convenient and easy. And it's kind of an exciting project I kind of want to take on, but I have so much on my plate right now. I don't know what I should do. It is something to think about. It is something I'd like to do, and it would be a functional part that I can add to the Patreon. So if I haven't done it, let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll get back to you guys when it's done. All right, we're starting the day off watching Hamel's House of 3D Prints right now. This is what she's getting ready. That looks awesome, by the way. So we're actually going to Monster Truck Wars this morning. Got this guy that's finished. Only had 2 fails. This time, stopping the print on 2 pieces actually worked. But yeah, we are going to Monster Truck Wars today. We're really excited to see how that is for the kiddos. And we're going to get some more Christmas prints going, because we have a 300-piece order we have to get ready to go for some pocket peeps of a lot of Christmas stuff. We got to get it done. And we got to get things started for what we got now, and wait for our order to come in, which I just found out I sent it to my mom's house, which is fantastic. And again, to reiterate, the highlight for me on the 85X is the brim. Look at that. That's going to be easy to come off, as you can see right there. Literally, no extra pulling off work. And this guy is looking ready to articulate. You guys need to subscribe to the channel. The package has arrived. We were at a party earlier at my mom's, which is where the package went. Now I'm hoping everything is in this package, because I know sometimes the package will come in different boxes, but it does look like it, and it definitely feels like it, because we got filament. These flash sales definitely came in handy, because take a look at that. We got some stuff. And we're about to get the printer loaded. While I can't really do anything right now because I am rendering out the vlog for the family channel, this is a current day vlog, so when I'm uploading this, I would really appreciate y'all checking it out. It is a blend of the Monster Truck Wars we saw and some Chuck E. Cheese Adventure very quickly and some other things too. So be sure to check it out. Very much appreciated. Definitely wanted to do a current day vlog because the next vlog I'm getting into is when we lost our previous home we were living in. So it's definitely going to be interesting to get that actually unboxed and finally actually review, watch, and see it as unfold and feel those emotions again. And yeah, it's going to be interesting, but that is on the way. So let's get these filament rolls onto some spools and get the printers printing. Well, someone wanted to join the party. Hi, Ellie. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're usually not in here. What you doing, baby? Anyways, we have all printers loaded. We are about to get them started. We got this one's gonna be penguins. This one's gonna be snowman. This one's gonna be snowman. This one's going to be Santa Clauses. So we're gonna get ready to fire them up. All these have cool plates now. Very, very excited for that. Really happy that they were on a flash sale because that saved a crap ton for us to get that done. Now we do need to find one for the 85X. I don't know if we'll find one, but we're definitely gonna try to look for one because that'll solve a good adhesion problems with some of these multi-prints. Even though the brim is good, there's always potential for errors, and I would just definitely love to have a cool plate just to solidify that, especially most of these things are done with PLA, and also they work for PETG, which still goes in the realm of what we need it for anyways, with any of our printers. As you can see, we switched our minds as of right now. We don't have PETG in there, so we're trying to limit how much we do on switching out the filaments, but you know, we're taking care of our printers, making sure the maintenance is done pretty good on them, so that should limit any kind of potential errors. But we're excited. I'm gonna go check on the status of the vlog. Once we know that's completed, we upload it and we can get these prints going. Amanda did a fantastic job. She doesn't do well with compliments, but she did a great job getting all these rolls of filament done. Oh, my shoulder. She did a great job of putting all these filament rolls together. We have extra, which is a good sign, means we're doing real good with starting to begin the stockpile. And that is the next order of business. This next paycheck is literally budgeting the filament because we obviously still need to order some more, and we're having to do Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, all kinds of stuff all at once. Be here for the journey.
We have, in the next 3 months, right, hold on, November, December, yeah. In the next 3 months, right?
3 months, yeah. It's usually.
In the next 3 months, we have 2 weddings, 3 birthdays, can't forget your mom's birthday, Christmas,
New Year's,
but I mean, we just won't be able to do anything for New Year's. Thanksgiving, 2 Thanksgivings. I'm tired already. Plus, we have to get everything for Elijah's baseball. We have to get Isabella more tumbling stuff because she's growing super freaking fast.
In other words, extremely busy. Extremely busy. And I mean, if we really got into it, there's a lot to unfold, which we're trying, like we're building each of our YouTube channels as different businesses, but also different insights of what we do, which if you guys, because I'm not sure if I'm choosing the other one or this one, but right now is the definite time that I definitely would love for y'all to go check out the family vlog channel, because we're going to give you the insights of all the different YouTube channels and things that we're doing in the moment, because that's going to be the full documentation of everything behind the scenes on all the extra stuff that I'm doing that y'all probably don't even know about unless you've seen my TikToks, my Instagram stuff, all that kind of stuff, which you guys can follow me on Instagram here, and also follow Amanda on Instagram right there, where she's pointing on the phone.
But no, I wasn't pointing.
What is that? Eggs?
Yeah, but it's like a cute little Christmas egg. So we could do a little Christmas dragon, a little
And we got blue.
Christmas dragon, Christmas egg.
Christmas dragon with Christmas eggs. And we're getting more videos and products ready for you guys. Nope, put it on me. She is freaking out. She is hating her life.
She hates being picked up. Lilith does not care at all.
Not at all.
She hates it.
One of the things we didn't get to doing, which we were supposed to do on the family vlog channel, is this here. Amanda grabbed some dollar store items. She spray painted it brown, and she did some gingerbread work on this little dollhouse that she picked up from the dollar store, and she recreated it into a gingerbread house. That's what I was trying to say without complicating it. So that's it for now. I will get these printers loaded and we'll talk about that. All right, here's a little bit of an update. We have First batch of penguins done. Second batch going right now. Snowman sculptures are almost done. Found out this one had a tangle in the white filament, so I had to get that unclogged, and that one's rocking and rolling. This one will be done in 10 hours. This one should be done shortly, but that should complete all the snowman sculptures. And that will be 1/3 of the batch done, and we should be able to get everything done by tomorrow, or at least at the latest on Wednesday. All right, we got another set of the penguins done. Got the third batch here. The snowmans are nearing completion, and this just looks like a freaking armada of snowmen. It's kind of crazy. Look at that thing. Oh boy. All right, the last thing we're doing for today's vlog is getting the last of the pocket peeps ready, which is the Santa Claus ones on Bulma. So let's go ahead and get that done. I don't know what's going on, but we're having a little bit of troubles over here on Bulma. So we're gonna slow things down on the cool plate and see what's happening. I will say that nozzle does look like it's got some wear and tear on it. I might have to clean it up a little bit, which might help significantly, but we'll see once all the leveling process is done.